Okay, so welcome back to this course. So now in this video I'm going to handle my orders because I also want to display all the orders in the admin panel. Okay, so let's simply go back to my VS Code and go to the constants and then the order constants. Okay, I simply copy these three constants from here, Control C, put them here and replace this my with all orders, request, success and fail. Save it, go back to the reducers, order reducers, and let's bring them in. So copy this one, put that here, that is all. Save it, and now let's actually create our reducer. So simply copy this one, Control C, put that here, and that is all orders reducer. Okay, so all order reducers, and the state I will put the orders, and that is going to be an empty array. Okay, and then all I'll replace this with all orders request is going to be loading to true, and in success I put here orders to action.payload.orders, and also we have saved the total amount. We have also passed the total amount from the backend, the total amount of all orders. So I'll also bring that in. So total amount will be action.payload.total amount. Total amount. Okay, and then after that in the fail I will set the error. Okay, the errors, and that's it. Simply save this one, copy it, and now go to my store.js. So here I bring in the right here, and let's put that here. So all orders, that will be all orders reducer. Save it. Now let's simply go back and copy these constants, close it, go to actions, order actions, and let's put that right here, and let's actually copy this function. So I simply copy it, put that right here, so that is get all orders, and this is for the admin. So all orders, I'm going to pass in here nothing. So first of all let's actually replace this with all orders request, then /API /v1 / the admin /orders, and in an empty pass here the data, and that's it. So we save it, close this one. Let's go back to the admin, create here new file that is called orders list.js. So I'll create my basic markup here. Let's actually go to my product list and copy some data from there. So first of all I'll bring in everything. So Control C, put that right here, and we need here link, we also need here MDB table, we also need here metadata, then loader, then sidebar, use alert, use dispatch, use selector, and from this is the order actions. From the order actions I have to bring in the all orders, right, and then I will change it because I also have to delete the product. So that is order constants, and I will handle it later. Okay, and after that I simply go back and let's actually copy this all stuff from here, So simply copy and put that right here, and let's edit it. So first of all, alert dispatch bring in loading error and orders from auth dot all orders, and let's actually remove this one. Okay, and the use effect, I simply put it here, all orders. Okay, and then if there is error, I will display that here, and I will remove this one, and let's actually comment out this one. I will handle it later. So simply remove here from delete error, and is deleted right now, and also this history. Okay, and then I have the set orders. Okay, so first of all we have the ID of the order, so let's put in here the order ID, and then the number of items in the order, so that is number of items, then the amount, and then we have the delivered, or I put in here the status. Okay, status, and then let's actually put in here the actions, and after that orders dot for each order, first of all ID, then I have the num of items, that will be order dot order items dot length, and then we have the amount, so amount is order dot total price, then I have here the delivered and the actions. So let's actually go back to our order and list orders. I will copy this markup from here, this one, so status, I simply copy it and put it right here. Okay, so if order status is delivered, then it will be green, else it will be red. And in the actions, I have first of all the I put in here I, that is process order slash admin slash order slash order.id. Alright, and then for the button, this is delete button, I simply remove this handler from here right now. Okay, that will be for delete, and we should return the data, simply save it, and if I go back, let's actually copy this complete fragment. So copy and paste it right here. So that is my all orders. Oh no, I don't have to bring in, I will copy this one. So I also have to display the sidebar, so I simply copy this one. So that is all orders. Okay, so if it is loading, I will display the loader, as I have to display here set orders in the here. Save it, and I hope that it is fine. So I simply close this one, and I go back to app.js, and let's bring in our import the orders list from ./components /admin/order list, and let's put them right here. I copy this one and put it here /admin/orders. Oops. Orders list. So let's save it, and so orders is not defined, line 70. Okay, so now I simply save it, go back, reload it, And if I go to orders, you will see here all orders, and I have my 3 orders here. Okay, so number of items, the price, delivered, processing, and all that stuff. And I can process the order, but I will handle it in my next video. But right now I have successfully displayed all the orders here. So let's also display here the number of orders and the total amount here. I simply go back to my dashboard, go to top, and let's bring in all orders from the order actions, right? And let's actually call it right here. So dispatch all orders, and then I will simply bring in here const. Let's bring in here orders, then total amount, and then that will bring in the loading. So use selector state dot all orders. Okay, and then I simply go back. Let's put in here the I think so I don't use here metadata. No, I haven't used metadata on here. So what I do is simply after the h1, okay, I simply put in here that if it is loading, I will display the loader component, else I will put in here the fragment. Okay, and the fragment, first of all, I put in here the metadata title is going to be let's put in here admin dashboard, and then I will put this complete div right here. I will go back. Oops, I need to again select from here. So simply cut it, put that here, save it. Okay, so div okay, we have to put another div here. So simply save it and move this one, and that's it. So now I have to display all the orders. So products, and then here I put in here orders, then orders dot length. Okay, and then I have to display total amount also, so I will put in here the total amount. So save it. Now if I go back and reload the page, you will see it is loading. So I have 3 orders, and this is the total amount, and we are done also. So I have only now I have handled these users, and I will handle that later when we will move toward the users. Alright, so now I am successfully displaying all the orders on the admin panel. In the next video, I will first of all handle this process order button. Okay, so if you want to change the status of the order, then you also have to give that option. Okay, so I will process my order in my next video.